Hello, today I'm doing a review on my new 3D puzzle Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, 3D puzzle. This is the box. There's a side of a side and the back. And oh man, almighty. This puzzle was a pain to put together.
It took 2 days.
Yes.
Of falling apart, putting back together, and I had to climb under the deck, which we're sitting on right now.
We lost a part, and yes, I'm filming outside. Alright, so here it is, in all of its crystal glory. Oh, this is cool.
Christmas, so I'm still having some ham.
Yeah, I just got this for Christmas. It's so awesome. First time I put it together yesterday. I got it all together, but it felt like nothing was together. Everything was loose.
Yeah,
So I put it down, and it all fell over, and it fell apart. I used this, which is the key. There's this little, I don't know.
Through the middle?
Yeah, a little bolt.
Don't think you can see it.
But
it wasn't tight at all. But now that we put it in,
this thing.
yeah. But now that we put it in, well, we put it down and it smashed. But now that we put it in properly,
Look, Sam. Yeah.
beautiful.
It's awesome.
Oh, well that happens. Maybe we have to glue the tail.
Yeah, the tail has to be glued.
Thanks for